Today we will be talking about polar coordinates, which polar coordinates is two-dimensional systems in which point P in a plane is determined by a distance r from a fixed point O or at the origin, and an angle theta from a fixed direction. An example would be we have our plane. We get the point at say 2, 1, 2, 3. Point will be right here. Make the line. We know that this is our theta, which is the angle. Our r, which is the distance from the fixed point. And this is our O, which is 2 over 3. 2 and 3. We're trying to find the polar coordinates of x and y coordinate, which is r for the angle. To find that, we have a formula for polar coordinates, which is basically the same thing as the Pythagorean theorem, but it has different variables, which is x squared plus y squared equals r squared. We know that our x is our 2, so we plug it in, 2 to power of 2, a 3 power 2 equals r2. And this is what we're trying to find, so we can plug it in the polar coordinates. So if we solve it, that will be 4 plus 9 equals r2. Sums to 13 equals r squared. We're trying to find only r, so it will be square root of 13 equals r. And we have our r. But we still have to find our theta, which is the angle. To find that, we do SOHCAHTOA again, which is, we need to see which one we have to use. Obviously, we're going to use this one, TOA, which is opposite over adjacent. To do that, is tan theta over opposite over adjacent, which equals our opposite, which is going to be a 3, and our adjacent, which is the 2. But this is not our final answer. Our final answer, we have to use the inverse of tan, which is arc tan over parenthesis 3 over 2. And I'll show you how to do that in the calculator. Go to your calculator. You make sure your mode it's in degrees, because we want a degrees answer, right? So to put arc tan 3 over 2, we have to put secant tan 3 over 2. Enter. It's going to give us our radians, which is, in this case, is degrees, I'm sorry. Our answer is 56.31 degrees. And this is our theta. So having our r and our theta, we can put them in as a polar coordinate. We know that a polar coordinate is r and our theta, 2 points. R, it came out to be square root of 13, and our theta 56.31 degrees. And there you have your answer, guys.